What's going on, guys? And Jack's back with another video, and today I will be trying to show you a kind of tutorial lesson on how to build a Leo. If you don't know what a Leo is, whoops, let me turn the volume down. If you don't know what a Leo is, it's kind of like a, well, I don't know exactly how to explain it. Well, an overpowered TNT cannon, let's just say that, which I enjoy building. But first off, you need to start with building the compression part, which is probably the most important part. Your cannon could explode if you don't have this set up. And, well, the way I like to do it actually is add, well, no, not for now. It's just going to be a simple one, and I'm probably not going to finish. So you add 3 repeaters. Redstone, put them all on, we'll connect them all with redstone, and make sure they're all set to go off at the same time, and it should set off all of them, and then you fill them up with TNT, but I'm not going to do that yet. And then what I like to do is build out from this redstone 3 blocks, so go, well, no, 5 blocks, and add another 2. Then you're going to need to delay this by put redstone repeaters, and you're probably going to, all of these that you're going to need are going to be put on max, but if you do anything over 9 repeaters, it's going to explode. So I'm going to put 5 right now. I have 4 down, which I'm going to put 1 right here as well. And I might have messed up a little, but it's fine. Now what we're going to do is go out 6 or 12. I think it's 6. No, 12. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same thing on this side. Whoops. And then we're going to go up 12. So I'm going to cut the video until I finish that, and then I'll be right back. Wait 1 second. I, of course, have to pause it, though. Wait, I'm sorry about the difficulties. Okay, I'm back. So I finished building this, and this took much longer than it should have. So what you need to do now is to make sure the water that I'm going to put in this doesn't flow out, because if it flows out, then the TNT might flow out, then the whole rest of your cannon's going to explode. So you don't have to build up all this side of the cannon, so all you have to do is put in, whoops, ladders. So if you put in all these ladders, no, don't destroy what you took like 5 minutes to build. It's just placing blocks, but I just suck at placing blocks then if I took that long. So then what you need to do to make sure the water doesn't flow out is, well, fill this thing in. I don't know what to call this, the top, I guess. But you need to fill this completely in. Whoops, I thought I clicked on that. And then you gotta do the ladder thing. And you're probably wondering why it needs to be 12 out. If it's not 12 out, well, the reason why it's 12 out is to get the maximum amount of power possible, because the TNT explosion radius is actually 12, but there's multiple pieces of TNT in it, so it'll go farther and it'll go quicker. Well, or however else you want to say it. So then you just fill this part up with water, and then you're done with the power part. Well, nearer than the fact you need to add half slabs to every single one of these, which I'll do a cut to do it. Well, I'm going to cut to add in all the half slabs, and then I'm going to build the power or compression chamber part of the cannon. I don't know. But, well, the compression chamber isn't going to be as complex as the one way over there, if you can see it, but see you when I get back after this cut. Whoops, it didn't cut. Well, wait, okay, I'm sorry, I didn't know it was recording. I accidentally did something. Okay, so, Jack's back, and this took much longer than it took me to build the dispensers. And I added one more repeater to keep the signal strong. And finish off the repeaters to make it go all the way up. So this is actually one thing I've never built in my cannons. I'm going to try and make a different type of TNT chamber. So I want to try and make it all the TNT. Like, there's going to be about 70 TNT, and I'm going to try and make it land all in this one block. So pretty much what it's going to be is all of this, but in like a smaller version. Because right here, it's 144 plus, this is 288 pieces of TNT right here that are going to push about like 70 pieces of TNT. So that's what I'm going to work on. Well, first I'm going to try and figure out, so this is going to be kind of weird what I'm going to do here, but I'm going to build right here, and I'm going to build, well, I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm just going to experiment with this and see how it turns out. But I'm going to build this way, which is going to be weird for a TNT cannon, but I'm going to need, whoops, okay, scratch that. I'm going to try and make the TNT land right there. Wait, no, right here. I don't know. This is going to be difficult, that's all I know. Well, I need to block off the redstone, that's for one. So I'm going to block off all this redstone. And I'm going to try and finish this TNT cannon in one video, or one day, as I want to say it. Because I have no idea what I'm doing right now. But all I know is I need to compress the TNT. So, first off, what I'm going to do is build more out, because you never know how much TNT you're going to need. I mean, how much room you're going to need. And then I shall begin. So I'm going to start, how about right here. Yeah, it's going to be in a wonky spot when it gets down there. And it's going to be hard to connect the redstone from down here up here. From down there to up here, but it'll be all good. So, I'm going to be experimenting for 10 minutes, and this should be done. So, see you all. Well, sorry about how many cuts are in this video, but gotta do what I gotta do if you want to see the TNT cannon fire in this video, so see ya. Okay, so I figured out, well, that may have, like, felt like a second to you, but all this that I built did not take just a second. It took a little bit, but I just figured out I'll just make this, this right here, but mini, so I cut it down. There's about, I'm too lazy to count, but there's a few pieces of TNT there. Then I set up so it'll be a backboard, so, and I trusted myself enough so I don't have to put water here. So there's going to be no water here. And this should push it out to right here, which I'm not going to trust myself enough. So yeah, I trust myself enough. I want to put a block right here. It's going to backboard off of this, go down to here, and it's going to land right there. And I'm going to build these walls up so I don't, so I don't like, I don't want anything to be messed up, because I am doing this all off the top of my head. Because I haven't got a video. Sorry, and by the way, sorry, my voice, oh my gosh, it just cracked so much. Sorry I haven't been making videos in a long time. That was my fault completely. I had enough time, but I was just lazy. You're just lazy, Jack. But I'll show you a little bit more of the redstone, and then I'll move on to the next thing. So it'll be to the left of the main part of the cannon. All this is hooked up, and then later I'll figure out how to connect that up. This might have to, well, yeah, this is going to be a two-part video. Sorry, but I hope you enjoyed this part of, what should I call it? epic TNT cannon part 1. Let's call it that. See you all next time. Bye.